name is Patrick, and this is to inform you about a workshop that we are planning to hold for the CET exam. This has been newly launched by the Maharashtra for entrance to BMS, BCA, BBA, BMA students. I mean, this is basically for 10 plus 2 students. If you want to get into these courses, then you need to write the entrance exam, CET. So basically, last date for registration 11th April. The forms are already out. You need to apply before 11th April. So last date of registration 11th April. This is a link provided for you to go and register for the same. Go to the website and register. Exam will be in the month of May. So basically 100 marks paper, which includes 40 marks of English, 30 marks of reasoning, 15 marks of computer basics, and 15 marks of GK. So this is the paper pattern which is there. It will be MCQ. That means there will be options and you have to mark the answer. So we are conducting a workshop, online workshop for the same. Okay, this will be live workshops conducted by Patrick and Rochelle. We have been there in this training students for more than 20 years for these type of exams. The course will be held on Monday to Friday from 8 to 9:30 p.m. So there will be 20 plus hours of live lectures which are there. Okay, and the starting date for the course is 12th or 15th April. Two batches, one batch 12th April, 15th April, whichever way you want to join. And the fees for the same is 1900. Right. So we will try to provide you whatever guidance is required for the exam, including strategy, etc. Whatever is required for the exam. But yes, if you're looking at getting into a BMS or BBA course in Bombay or in Maharashtra, like the Poddar or any other college affiliated to university, you will have to write this examination. If you don't write the exam, you may miss out on a chance to get into a good college for BMS, BBA. And so my recommendation is, fill the form and go ahead and write the exam. So course will include, basically we'll look at maths, logic. This is a part of the reasoning section which is there. Verbal, which is English, computers. We'll also guide you on the general awareness, but these are the main components of the exam. We'll also guide you with regard to how to write the exam, strategy that becomes extremely important in these exams, how to approach the questions and write the exam. Also, we'll look at shortcut approaches to solve some, because the key to crack the exam is to solve things faster. So we'll look at shortcut approaches that will help you. So to give my brief details about myself, been writing the exam for many years. I've been training students for CAT, CET, IPMAT for more than 20 plus years. So fairly comfortable with the exam. Hopefully we'll be able to guide you to crack the exam. Right? How to enroll? You can go to the website called prep.patrickunday.com or contact us at 9821314788 or email to us at support@coinacademy.com. Right? Thank you.